Hey guys, I hope you're having a really good day and making some really good trades. And yeah, it looks like Elon is back at it again and trolling us hard. And yep, it looks like that this breakout is turning out to be a gigantic fake out at the moment. I believe he tweeted something about breaking up with Bitcoin or something like that, like a broken heart. And the price is, plummeting. It's going down extremely fast. And yes, I do believe that it's going to continue now, because when he does things like this, it kind of shatters investors' confidence and traders' confidence, and it kind of drives the price down. And honestly, it's really bad. We can see like in a 5 minute a manipulation X, and the price is probably going to keep going down. And you're probably going to see some more manipulation in the next time frames. We have a red diamond on the 1 hour. I think the EMA ribbons on the 4 hour now are all broken. Let me just go look at them. Well, they're not broken yet, but they almost crossed. Let's see if we can hold. If we go past this, that would be really bad. This is a gigantic red candle right now. And it's just really bad news right now. What Elon Musk just did, I think, in my personal opinion, that when he does this, it's really bad for the market when he does things like this, because you just lose investor confidence, and it kind of makes the whole concept of crypto a joke, because the whole market seems to react negatively when he does things like this, right? And Bitcoin has such strong fundamentals, and we get someone like Elon Musk to invest in Bitcoin, and then for him it's kind of like a joke. Like, it seems like it's kind of like a joke because he keeps pushing the price down by tweeting these things. Obviously, if you're short, you're doing amazing. I know a couple people who have held their short positions since 40,000, so they're probably pretty happy at the moment, right? But yeah, let's just doing some quick TA now, enough about ranting about Elon. But if we do break down here, we do get a 1 hour close. Sorry, let me just redraw that. If we do get a 1 hour close, I believe we could be going back down into the triangle. And if we break this line right here, it's gonna have probably no problem breaking this one, and then we're just gonna get a continuation pattern down to the downside, and that would be really bad. But if we can at least hold above this line right here, and we can bounce back up like so. Oops, I guess I have the wrong tool selected. If we can bounce back up right like this, then that would be really good, because I guess it would be a retest of the triangle before the huge breakout, right? A retest with a big 4 hour candle, which would be, it would be positive. If we retest and we hold and we bounce back up super fast, then that's really positive. I know some big YouTubers entered some long positions at 38,000, so they're probably a little upset at the moment. But yeah, we always want to. You can't. These are things that we even TA can't predict, because this is just fundamental news coming out, like Elon tweeting. That's just something you can't predict, and that's just part of the whole trading game, right? And yeah, right now we had a wick down below the triangle, but we are cutting it close at the moment. If we can hold above it, that's good, but if we can't, that'd be really bad in my opinion. Yeah, I know that there's a couple people who have had a different way of drawing this triangle. I think the way I drew it, it seems to be working out for me, in my opinion. We broke out, and we're going back down, and we're going back to test it exactly at the line. So everything seems to line up for me. You don't have to follow me. You could absolutely do your own thing and do your own TA and draw your own lines, right? But mine seem to be working out pretty well, in my opinion. But everyone has their own opinion, right? And I think me and Ben were talking in the chat about this being a fake pump, right? Because we saw this small W pattern come out, and we didn't think that there was enough volume here, and as we could see, there was not much volume, and the price just faked out, and dumped super fast after the tweet. So we didn't enter in any longs here. And yeah, I closed my long earlier today around the $37,800 level for a nice 35% profit. So that was really good. And yeah, if we break down, then I guess I'll short it, and we'll short it until it keeps going down, I guess. But yeah, it's looking pretty grim right now. We can look at Ethereum too. Some TA even on the 4 hour. You know, we had a beautiful ginormous W pattern form right here. You know, a giant W, and then we went to retest the neckline almost, and I guess we're dumping now. So who knows what's gonna happen, right? I don't know what's gonna happen, but this is not really good. What just happened? It's not very positive news that came out. And yeah, I just want to give you guys an update as well on the SPY, because I still have my short position on the stock market. You know, I am not levered up on this, so I'm not worried if it goes into the negative. It's very possible that we go into the negative, but it seems like we are crossing, the EMA ribbons are reversing, so which means there could be some downside coming in the stock market, which would technically line up with, you know, a dump with Bitcoin if that were the case. You know, and honestly, if it does dump, then it's good. You know, we get to accumulate some cheaper Bitcoin. But what I don't like is when Elon does these tweets and stuff, and it causes retail like us to get liquidated and stopped out, and we lose money, you know, hard-earned money that we can put into the market. You know, obviously we don't put our entire paycheck in it, at least I don't, but you know, we obviously lose a portion of our funds, and it's never fun when that happens, right? We always put money into the market expecting to get a return out of it, right? We don't expect that Elon's gonna wake up and be like, okay, I guess I'm gonna tweet Bitcoin with a broken heart and make the whole market tank. Oh man. Also, there's been some people that have been trying to guess where I live and where I work. I can almost guarantee you're never gonna guess where I live, where I work. I mean, you guys can take some shots at it, but it's been pretty funny so far. Everyone's been trying to guess where I live and where I work, and everyone's been wrong so far. Just keep it coming, guys. It's very funny. Anyways, yeah, we could look at the excuse me. We can also look at, let's get rid of these EMA ribbons right here. Actually, before we get into the EMA ribbons, I want to look at the hash ribbons, because I haven't looked at the hash ribbons yet today. And yeah, no buy signal yet, but if it dumps, maybe it'll maybe a buy signal will come and we can buy super low. But honestly, I don't think that's gonna happen, right? I think we've bottomed out, but at the same time, Elon keeps tweeting these things and reversing the market. Maybe someone's got his maybe someone has their hands in Elon's pockets. Yeah. I don't want to speculate too much on that. I just want to look at this triangle right now. If we close below it, we're back in it, and that would be really bad, and we could be potentially breaking back down to the downside, causing more turmoil in the market. But if we hold above it for the time being, it's possible we get a bounce back up. But again, we have a huge psychological level at the $40,000 level, where we've got rejected here, we got rejected here, we got rejected here, we got rejected here, and we're kind of got rejected here. We didn't even make it there today, but you know, let's stay positive. Maybe we can play some longs. If we don't end up going up, then I guess we'll go down, and if we go down, then we'll short it, because we're traders, and there's amazing people in the chat, in the Discord, that make amazing trades, like Ben and Daniel, really good at TA, really excited every time they're talking in the chat. It's all good stuff. And yeah, I actually wanted to look at the 200-day weekly. We didn't get to it. Maybe with a 300-day. Where is it? Down here at the 31,000. If we break the 300-day moving average, I think we could have lost all investor confidence, and we could potentially be breaking down much lower. But so far it's been holding the 300 day, right? We bounced off the 300 day here, we bounced off the 300 day there, right? And obviously if Bitcoin's going to crash, then I will obviously short the altcoins as well, because they're going to crash even harder. As we can see, Bitcoin's down 4%, everything else is down 6%. Surprise Dogecoin isn't down like 20%. This thing should be collapsing. I guess there's a lot of bag holders that bought at 70 cents, but you know, to each their own, right? They can buy whatever they want. It's their choice. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and have to get some rest. Don't stay on the charts too long. Always get some good rest, right? 8 hours of sleep is what you need. And don't use too much leverage, especially in volatile times like this. Anyways, I really appreciate the support as well. We're at 363 subscribers, and you guys are awesome. I love you. Peace.